Pureza is a professional OEM and ODM manufacturer in the global household water purification industry. More than a filter producer, we are dedicated to one belief that every filter carries the responsibility of a family's drinking water safety. Guided by this belief, we help brands and businesses deliver safe, reliable, and scalable water filtration solutions to global markets. Founded in 2015, we bring 10 years of focus to building high-quality disposable water filter cartridges that balance performance, safety, and long-term reliability. Our growth has been driven by continuous innovation, streamlined production systems, and a commitment to transforming complex filtration technology into practical, scalable products that meet international standards and earn long-term trust. We serve more than 1,000 B2B customers across North America, Northern Europe, Eastern Europe, Australia, and South America. Most partnerships are long-term, built on consistent quality performance, stable supply capability, and transparent technical support. This global experience allows us to support brands operating across diverse regulatory and market environments. Our 30,000 square meter manufacturing base in Ningbo, together with investments in factories in Jiangsu and Thailand, supports comprehensive production operations. Facilities include carbon block workshops, injection molding workshops, assembly workshops, and automated production lines designed for stable output and fast response. Laboratory capability is a core strength of our operations. Our 1,000 square meter NSF system physical and chemical laboratory supports NSF 42, 53, 401, and 372 testing and enables full process verification from raw materials to finished products. Equipped with advanced testing and analytical capabilities, the laboratory allows strict control over filtration performance, safety compliance, and material quality. Thanks to key technological breakthroughs, such as total PFAS removal, it has gained deep trust and recognition from the global market. Monthly shipments exceed 2 million filter cartridges, and manufacturing operations comply with ISO 9001 standards, supported by certifications including NSF, IAPMO, TUE, CE, FDA, and EPA. We provide one-stop OEM and ODM solutions, offering customization across filter media, product structure, color, packaging, carton specifications, and new mold development based on samples or original concepts. Flexible logistics options support sea freight, land transport, and air freight under FOB, DDP, CIF, CFR, and EX2 terms. The product is covered by a 1-year warranty service, helping partners scale with confidence. Our team of more than 300 professionals forms the foundation of our operations. With expertise spanning research and development, quality management, production coordination, and global customer service, we ensure efficient communication, stable delivery, and consistent support throughout long-term cooperation. Pureza, leader in global disposable water filtration standards, making every drop safe to drink.